hanging out downtown over the weekend in their tutus. Plus, we're going to meet an extraordinary kid this morning. It's going to be a great day, SA.
Live from KENS 5, this is Great Day SA.
All right, well, if you happen to see a group of men and women parading around in front of the Alamo in tutus this weekend, men and women, there was a good reason. It's part of something unique the Alamo Arts Ballet Theater is doing. Mallory Crane and Marcy Miller are two of the company's members.
Yes,
Hi, good morning. How are you, Marcy?
Good morning.
Good to see you guys this morning. This was the first on the couch in tutus.
Well, that's exciting.
I love that you guys are pumped up about the fundraiser and doing it a little bit different. Tell us what you were out there doing this weekend, because we know of some people who said, what were they doing downtown in tutus in front of the Alamo? Tell us about this.
We were basically trying to raise awareness of the company, and we thought it would be an exciting kind of unique way of doing it.
Yes.
In neon green tutus and pink shirts.
So tell me how this worked. You're out there. Was the idea that people would come up and you can give them information about the ballet theater?
Yes.
And the need, of course, is really for money.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
Well, we went around and we asked people to sign up get information about the ballet company. We also tried to give them. We were giving away 2 free tickets to the ballet company so they could come and see our performance in April.
Yes, and what's extraordinary is that you guys are doing all sorts of things to entertain school kids and families and that, and it really is serving a purpose here in our community.
Right. I think that has always been Alamo Arts' main goal, is to serve the community and try and get children involved in that way. I know for me and for Marcy, that is the most exciting part of our job, is getting to see the children get involved and going to schools and performing for them. They light up, and it's
so excited.
It's more than you can imagine. We're like dreams come true. Being a ballerina is something that every little girl wants to do.
Yes, indeed, and obviously living in these economic times, grants and donations aren't trickling in like they could be.
No.
You guys are actually having a rummage sale that's coming up, and we want to let everybody know about that. Before we see a performance from the Alamo Arts Ballet, there is a rummage sale on Saturday, April 4th. If you'd like to help the theater out, beginning at 8 a.m., 2103 Lock Hill, Selma is the location, and their phone number 210-344-9428. They desperately need your funds. They desperately need your help. www.kens5.com is the website that you can check out for more information if you need to do so. And now, a performance from the very talented members of the Alamo Arts Ballet Theater.